Steve Edwards, I go by Eddie. It's a 55 Chevy, 210 Bel Air. The man that had it done, he didn't really show it. He just kept it in his basement, so it laid there till 16 when I bought it. Oh, I've done the body. I put the motor in it, put the transmission in it, changed the rear end, suspension parts. About the only thing I haven't had to mess with was the interior. It's in velours because that's what we were doing back in '91. We weren't doing leather. It's just kind of nice, and I try to keep it old school. A lot of these guys are putting this LS motors in these cars, and you know that's not old school. You know, I got a 350 in here with 444 horse that was built by Ostrich Racing Engines here in town, and it's a gas. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. Most people that have these cars, they have them for a reason. And a friend of mine found this car, and they always knew that I'd tried to replace the one I had back in high school. I sold that when I was going, I knew I was going to Vietnam, and I didn't think I was coming home, so I didn't worry about saving that car, and I wish I had have. But anyway, I found the same type of car and just did it to make it mine. I drive this car every day. A lot of these guys have these cars and they never drive them, and that doesn't do them any good at all. They think it does, and it doesn't do them any good, and they need to drive them. So my car's on the road every day. If it's nice, I drive it.